Hello, I'm Barbara Lum, and I'm really pleased to be leading a 2015 CTI seminar where we'll examine how physical activity influences the brain. We've known for many, many years that exercise is really good for our muscles, our hearts, and our general physical health. More recently, scientists have demonstrated that physical activity is also beneficial to the brain. There's a very large and very rapidly growing body of evidence that physical activity strengthens neurons, and these changes in neurons have direct influence on changes in behavior. The benefits of exercise on the nervous system range from the cellular and molecular level, where scientists have demonstrated that exercises cause new neurons to grow in specific parts of the brain. And at the behavioral level, exercise has been correlated with improvements in memory and reductions in anxiety, among many other things. Not surprisingly, there are a lot of applications of this research to education. This graphic summarizes just a few study outcomes that might be of interest to teachers. It might also be interesting for you to know that physical activity has been shown to be helpful in treating things like ADHD, depression, addiction, stress, anxiety, and aging. A quick note on my background. I'm a developmental neuroscientist by training. What that means is that I'm primarily interested in how the brain forms, how it grows, how neurons get their beautiful, beautiful shapes, and how these neurons make synaptic connections to form networks. The image that you're looking at here was taken by a student in my research lab studying how young tadpole neurons get their beautiful shapes. At the same time, I'm also a really, really slow triathlete. And it's this intersection of my academic training in neuroscience with my hobby on the weekends where I got interested in looking more at how the brain is influenced by exercise. I've been fortunate to teach a seminar course on the neuroscience of exercise with Davidson undergrads for about 4 years now. What I love most about the topic is that it allows so many different avenues of investigation. Some of my students get really excited about the educational and public health aspects of this research, and others get really excited about the basic molecular biology that we study. The CTI model, where teachers from different schools, different levels, who teach different subjects come together, was a really exciting and enticing feature to me. Thus, I'm hopeful to encourage all teachers from any K-12 discipline, from art to PE to biology, to apply to this seminar, because I think that there's something that you could learn that could be really useful to your classroom. I'm particularly excited to see how different teachers will come up with creative ways to transform some of the knowledge that we discuss in this seminar into curricular activities for students. I can imagine one teacher might develop a curriculum unit on how neurons work, while another teacher might strategically incorporate more movement into the classroom experience to enhance learning. Thanks, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the seminar.